Hello again guys, in this video I'll show you how to hide Instagram following or followers list. Here I have my account open. Let's tap here in the Huawei mobile. And as you can see, we have a followers and following here at the top portion. Let's tap this following. Then you can see everybody here, Huawei Mobile PH is following, as well as the followers. I can see this just because I am a follower of Huawei Mobile. Okay, let's go back to our profile. Okay, as you can see here, we have list of followers and following here in my account. And if you want to limit the people from seeing the list of your followers, then go to your profile here at the bottom part, then tap the horizontal three lines here at the top portion, go to settings, then privacy, and then turn it on the private account. When you say private account is which means that nobody can see you or your followers list unless they follow you. But if you want somebody that you don't want to see your followers list, then you need to scroll down here, then restrict that person. Just type here their username so that they will restrict them from seeing your followers list. Or the other way is to go to your home and then tap that person or profile. Just for example, the Asus ROG, and then tap the following button here with the drop down, and then restrict or unfollow them so that they can't see your followers list. Okay, that's it. I hope guys that this video helps you a lot. Thank you for watching and keep following for more video tips.